everyone, and welcome to Spunky Girl Paper Co. Today I'm going to be doing a plan with me for April 9th to the 15th using kit leftovers. I'm going to start by cutting down a piece of 6x6 scrapbook paper to make fake washi. Because I don't have any extra washi tape from a kit, I needed to improvise. This is super easy to do. All I'm doing is cutting them down to 1.5 inches, and then I'll glue them straight down and cut off the excess. Here I'm just speeding up the process of putting on my date covers. I didn't think you needed to sit through all of that. So I actually don't have any headers or full boxes left over from other kits. So I'm going to start planning out my week. I'm going to start with Monday, and the top row I generally use as work commitments. So you'll see here that I tried to stick that sticker down at the top, and I just could not for the life of me get it straight because I didn't have a header sticker there. So I gave up and started planning everything from the bottom up. It was a lot easier, and that's how I generally use my stickers anyways. I'm going to speed through putting down most of these quarter boxes because I can't really tell you what I do at work anyways, but let's just say most of these are meetings. I spend most of my day in meetings. I'm going to start putting down my icons. Here on Saturday, I'm going to be filming some videos. That's actually going to be my Saturday short video, which is always a card video. And Thursday is payday for me, so I just wanted to denote that. I'm building my sidebar as much as I can. Obviously, I don't really have any full boxes left in those kits, so this is just going to be a heart checklist for my dinners for the week. Next, I'm going to put down some flags with exercise icons on Monday and Wednesday because those are the days I like to go to yoga with a friend. I'll actually end up putting the icons in later, but the flags are here. I'm going to add a coffee cup, not really icon, but deco to Monday because Mondays always suck and I need caffeine. Down in my YouTube row, I'm trying to tell myself to film a plan with me on Sunday. You will notice, though, that those eventually moved to Friday and Saturday because I put them on the wrong days originally. Oops. Here I'm putting down a quarter box to tell myself to get more stickers so that I actually have a kit next week for my plan with me. Finally, I'm just quickly filling in my week, super sped up, because nobody needs to sit through all that. I realize today's plan with me is very short. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry it was so late. I will try to do better next week. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of this type of content, please give my channel a subscribe by clicking that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much. Bye!